common English mistakes you may be making, and how to fix them.
Don't say. When children grow up, they are sent to the school. Say. When children grow up, they are sent to school. Don't say. I think you should go to abroad. Find a job, make your life a little bit changed. Say. I think you should go abroad to find a job and make your life a little bit different for a change. Don't say. Julian is living far away with China. Say. Julian is living far away from China. Don't say. I am sure not even one person can control himself if he meet this kind of situation. Say. I doubt that there is even one person who can control himself in this situation. Don't say. Are you a sailor, Alvin? Say. Are you a salesman, Alvin? Don't say. The team bring a lot of happy for football fan in the world, but now I doubtful them. Say. The team used to bring a lot of fun to the soccer fans in the world, but I am doubtful of them now. Don't say. Which kind of car? Say. What type of car? Don't say. They study in the England. Say. They study in England. Don't say. We had a meeting in this afternoon. Say. We had a meeting this afternoon. Don't say. My sister, she is at school. Say. My sister is at school. Don't say. The company, having finished the construction project, it received its pay. Say. The company, having finished the construction project, received its pay. Don't say. The hunter took aim and then he shot the deer. Say. The hunter took aim and then shot the deer. Don't say. I bought a storybook to read it. Say. I bought a storybook to read. Don't say. Some of the students speak the Mandarin very well. Say. Some of the students speak Mandarin very well. Don't say. I am going to home now. See you tomorrow. Say. I am going home now. See you tomorrow. Don't say. More and more people today die of the cancer. Say. More and more people today die of cancer. Don't say. All I know is my friend is right. Say. All I know is that my friend is right. Don't say. Most of us found difficult to comprehend his speech. Say. Most of us found it difficult to comprehend his speech. Don't say. I am going to outside. Say. I am going outside. Don't say. She neither speaks English nor French. Say. She speaks neither English nor French. Don't say. Only I and my friend were at the concert. Say. Only my friend and I were at the concert. Don't say. There is a dirty mark on the rug which must be removed. Say. On the rug. There is a dirty mark which must be removed. Don't say. I have to go to downtown later. Say. I have to go downtown later. Don't say. Lizzie approached me and held my hand. Said. Hello. Say. Lizzie approached me, held my hand, and said. Hello. Don't say. I am going to inside. Say. I am going inside. Don't say. The climate of Japan is different from Taiwan. Say. The climate of Japan is different from that from Taiwan. Don't say. I like to play the football. Say. I like to play football. Don't say. This book is the most unique of all. Say. This book is unique. Don't say. The blue is my favorite color. Say. Blue is my favorite color. Don't say. Uncle's advice is great significance. Say. Uncle's advice is of great significance. Don't say. The judge has decided the case. Say. The judge has decided upon the case. Don't say. Do you want to try my new car? Say. Do you want to try out my new car? Don't say. Smiths invited me to a dinner. Say. The Smiths invited me to a dinner. Don't say. I seldom go to theater. Say. I seldom go to the theater.